Starting today, new immigrants applying to become lawful permanent residents and other applicants must have their COVID-19 vaccine, and they must provide documentation to prove it before taking their next steps. Cronkite News reporter Payton Muse explains what the policy is and what it means.
An immigration attorney I spoke to says the new requirement is results of the U.S. Supreme Court upholding public safety standards. Now, immigrants who are applying for permanent residency must comply with the laws. Once an immigrant applies for their status adjustment, residency, or green card, they are subject to medical examination. The COVID vaccine is added to the already existing medical examination that requires vaccines like measles, mumps, polio, and hepatitis. Reina Montoya is the founder and CEO of Aliento, an immigrant activist organization. She says it's important to educate those directly affected by the change.
There's the people who are outside of the U.S. that might be applying for a green card, that might have these barriers about depending their access of vaccinations. I know here in the U.S. we're very privileged compared to other countries that they don't have enough vaccinations.
Besides the population that is outside of the U.S., she says there's a deeper issue. The population inside of the U.S. that could qualify for their green card could be affected by this as well.
That they're going to have to get the vaccine. So then now we tap into U.S. Domestic politics, and we know how the vaccine has been really polarized.
Immigration attorney Ruben Reyes says he believes that the majority of immigrants will comply.
There might be some very small minority who, for whatever reason, religious or otherwise, may decline the vaccine, but then at the same time, they're going to recognize there are consequences for that.
The requirement includes an exception for children who are too young to receive the vaccine and people with medical conditions that rule them out for the shot. It also outlines a waiver process for people who refuse to get the vaccine because of religion and other reasons. In the newsroom, Payton Muse, Cronkite News.